loves, I'm back with another video, and today I'm trying out another Unice hair wig. This is a 4x4 closure 24 inches body wave bust down with a 150 density. I'm going to start off by parting the hair, hot combing it a little bit, and then putting foundation on the lace so it can match my skin. I don't know exactly why, but I just like to part my hair first, mainly with this closures units. And also, before I forget, I customized the hair before this video so I can focus on installation and styling here. So if you want details on how to customize the wigs, I have a whole video on that on my channel, so you better run and go and watch it. After I'm done figuring out my part, I am going to use some wax stick and my hot comb to start laying the hair flat section by section. This helps with keeping the flyaways and small hairs in place and also keeps your wig flat on top because nobody wants no bulky wig, baby. Like, nobody. See how flat that wig looks? Baby, that is exactly what we want to see. I didn't shoot this part, but the next step it's going to be cutting the thick sides of the closure so it is easier to lay the lace on your skin. And this lace is so thin, y'all. Like, I pulled a little too hard and I ended up breaking it. But thanks to Daddy God, who always looks after me, it broke right where I would literally cut it, or where I would have cut it. I went and used some alcohol and cleaned my forehead. And then I proceed to start melting this lace, honey. For this install, I'm going for a semi-glueless wig. And I say semi because although I am not using lace glue, I am using Ebine lace spray, which is an adhesive spray and still can last up to 7 or more days without too many touch-ups. And if you take really good care of it, it can literally last up to 7 or more days. But at the same time, it is still very easy to remove, and you can remove it every night if you are not the type of girl that likes to sleep with your wigs. So basically, if you like to remove your wigs at night, this type of install, like the semi-glueless, can still be removed every single day, but it can also be worn for 7 days or more, because I wear mine for 7 days or more when I use Ebine, and I have no issues with that. I applied 2 to 3 coats of the spray and then I put my wig in place. I used my blow dryer and a small comb to melt the lace, and y'all, the lace was literally disappearing before my eyes. Like, I love it. You guys can see it. I can see it. It looks amazing. I then added a little more spray on the lace to make sure it don't move, and I wrapped the hair with my elastic band. While that lace is marinating, this is how the hair is looking right now. Very thick and very beautiful and very long too, baby. Like, this hair was giving me life, literally. I'm going to start styling the hair, and honestly, I kept it very simple. I used a curly one from Heritage by Mindy to give my hair some waves again, because you know, like, I washed it and the waves kind of went away. The body waves went away, so I just wanted to give same effect back. I also sprayed the hair with some Tresemme holding hairspray to make sure the curls can last long for a long time. I worked on small to medium sized sections. Since I'm going for a more loose curl, I brushed the hairs with a hairbrush and went back with the hot comb to make sure the top's still very flat. Unfortunately though, my camera was bugging towards the end of the video and I didn't film when I cut my lace. But here's me doing my cute little edges at the end. And yeah, this is pretty much everything for this video. This is the final result. This hair is stunning. It looks exactly how I wanted it to look, and the lace was literally lacing. Like, it was melted to the gods. Like, baby, you can't even see, like, where is the lace? Like, show me the lace, please, because I can't. Lace undetectable. So yeah, I really hope this video was of your liking. I'm so sorry if I missed a few steps because my camera was really bugging this time. But let me know in the comments, what do you think about this video? I've also linked my social media accounts and the links to this beautiful hair from Unice hair in my description box. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on my next upload. Bye. I've been on my worst behavior.